How to deactivate your account on Facebook Messenger app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to deactivate your account on Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger. Click on your profile, scroll down and click on account setting. And on the first option, which is personal information, click on there. And here you have manage account. Click on there, and you have the last option, which is account. In the corner you have deactivate. Click on it, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.